Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. For today's episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Information Technology or BSIT. So ano nga ba ang BSIT? It is a degree program that focuses on using, developing, and managing computer systems, software, and technology solutions. In simple terms, BSIT students learn how computers work, how systems are built, and how technology is used to solve real-world problems. So, hindi lang ito puro coding. It also includes system management, networking, databases, and IT support. Now, ano-ano nga ba yung mga subjects na kukunin mo if you are a BSIT student? Usually, merong mga subjects like programming, Java, Python, C++, merong web development, database management, networking and cybersecurity, system analysis and design, software development, IT, project management, and computer hardware and troubleshooting. In this course, you will learn coding, troubleshooting, and how to work with systems and technology. So kung mahilig ka sa computers, applications, games, or just technology in general, bagay sa'yo ang BSIT. Now let's talk about career opportunities. Kapag graduate ka ng BSIT, pwede kang mag-work as a software developer, a web developer, an IT support specialist, a network administrator, a systems analyst. So, ang dami ring iba't ibang mga klase ng trabaho na pwede mong kunin kapag graduate ka ng BSIT. You can work in IT companies, tech startups, banks, government offices, corporate companies, BPO companies, and you can even do freelance or remote work setups. Now, when it comes to salary range naman, it will still depend on your skill, your experience, and the company kung saan ka nagtatrabaho. But generally, fresh graduates in BSIT start around 20,000 to 30,000 per month. Pag mga mid-level IT professional, it can go around 40 to 80,000 a month. And kung senior ka na and specialized na yung roles mo, or you're a cybersecurity expert, you can go beyond 100,000 a month. Now, sino ba yung bagay sa BSIT? This course is a good fit for you if you are interested in technology and computers, you're logical and you're a problem solver, you're willing to learn programming and systems, you enjoy working with software and digital tools, and you're interested in tech-related careers. So if you see yourself working in the tech industry or building systems and applications in the future, BSIT might be the right course for you. So that is BSIT explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.